Hello IG Garage family. If your scanner is showing the p2179 code, don't ignore it, because this code is related to your engine's air-fuel mixture. And if left unresolved, it can cause poor acceleration, engine hesitation, misfires, and reduced fuel economy. What does p2179 mean? p2179 stands for System to Lean Off Idle Bank 2. In simple words, the ECU has detected that the engine is running to lean on Bank 2 when operating above idle speed. A lean condition means there is too much air and not enough fuel entering the combustion chamber. For an engine to run efficiently, the air-fuel mixture must stay within a specific range. When the mixture becomes to lean, combustion quality decreases and engine performance suffers. Common symptoms: if your vehicle has p2179, you may notice: check engine light on, poor acceleration, engine hesitation, loss of power, rough engine operation, reduced fuel economy, engine misfires, and sometimes hard starting. In some cases, the vehicle may feel normal at idle but struggle during acceleration. Component location. Now let's talk about location. Bank 2 refers to the side of the engine opposite cylinder number 1 on V-type engines. The mass airflow sensor, or MAF sensor, is usually located between the air filter box and throttle body. The oxygen sensor for Bank 2 is installed in the exhaust system on the Bank 2 side. Fuel injectors are mounted on the fuel rail, and vacuum hoses are connected around the intake manifold area. All of these components can contribute to a lean condition. The most common causes of p2179 include vacuum leaks, dirty or faulty MAF sensor, low fuel pressure, clogged fuel injectors, faulty oxygen sensor on Bank 2, intake air leaks, exhaust leaks, or fuel pump problems. Vacuum leaks and low fuel pressure are among the most common causes of this code. Quick diagnosis: start by checking for vacuum leaks around the intake manifold and hoses. Inspect the air intake system for cracks or loose connections. Check live MAF sensor data using an obd2 scanner. Verify fuel pressure according to manufacturer specifications. Inspect Bank 2 oxygen sensor readings, and check fuel injectors for proper operation. How to fix p2179. Repair vacuum leaks, clean or replace the MAF sensor. Replace damaged intake hoses, repair exhaust leaks. Clean or replace clogged injectors, replace faulty oxygen sensors if necessary. Clear the code and perform a complete road test. Final result: fixing p2179 will restore the proper air-fuel mixture on Bank 2. Improve acceleration, restore engine power. Improve fuel economy ... and help your vehicle run smoothly again. If this video helped, subscribe to IG Garage, and comment your vehicle make and model for more diagnostic help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.